to the fourth video of the FL Studio Producer series. In this video I'm going to show you how to sample in FL Studio. So right here I have a sample that I found somewhere on the internet that sounds like this. A pretty cool sample that I could probably make a drill beat of or a trap beat of, but I don't know in what key it is and in what BPM it is, so I'm going to show you how to do that today. Now right here you have the tempo tapper, which you can use to set the tempo. I'm going to play the sample and I'm going to tap on the tempo tapper to see what tempo this sample is in. So I see that it fits around 165 or 164 BPM, and if I put it in 164 it looks like it fits almost perfect. Now let me hear it with the metronome. Yeah, it sounds pretty cool. So now what I'm going to do is double click on it and set the mode to stretch, so now when I'm going to change the BPM it doesn't stretch around and sounds in the same form as it is now. I'm going to put it in 144 BPM, which is basically the perfect BPM for drill beats and for trap beats. Sounds pretty cool. Now what I'm going to do is double click on it, open in new Fruity Slicer channel, and it opens it up like this. Now what I'm going to do is click this and hit half of beat, which I see is a lot of audio samples and it's too much. Now let me try 1/4, it's even more. Let's put it on beat. It looks pretty cool now. Now if I go to the pattern, I can see that it automatically sends it to the Fruity Slicer, and it sounds like this. Now I can go ahead and play around with these. I don't need these anymore because the sample is pretty big. I only need these bars. Let's try this. Sounds pretty cool. Let me delete this. Let me try to do it like this. Now I can go ahead, I have the sample and quick render as an audio clip. I'm gonna delete this, put this in, I'm gonna boost the volume, paste it over like here, and I can start creating a beat. So this is how you sample in FL Studio. Here's the sample. Now I could go ahead and make a beat with this, but this is just a tutorial on how to sample this, so this is it.